Hey, this is Aino speaking, and today, we will dive into hacks and tricks of prompting. There are 3 types of prompts at Aino: simple, complex, and data filtering. These prompts allow you to search for data and analyze uploaded or previously found datasets. Let's start with the simple one. Type, "Find all buildings in San Marino." The dataset has just been processed. Aino searches building footprints in different sources and chooses the one with better completeness. Here there's Microsoft Footprints data layer, but you can also check OSM, mention at OSM in your prompt. Type, "Find all buildings in San Marino." Add at OSM in small letters. And you will see the new dataset found in OSM. The data source is mentioned at the bottom of the card on the left panel. You can choose the most suitable data source for your task. For now, Aino supports Overture Maps, OSM data, and Microsoft Building Footprints. If you want to focus your analysis on one particular location, you can copy any element of the dataset to the separate element at the Geometry panel. Click on the point, open the menu, and select Copy to Elements. See, this element appeared as a separate object. We can search for various objects such as parks, streets, poise, boundaries, and anything presented in OSM and Overture Maps. Let's try some prompts. Parks in Berlin. Main streets in Seoul. To search for city boundaries, type / and the name of the location without space. First, let's fly to Paris. We can type /Paris. To refer the prompt to any geometry or dataset inside your project, we use the right / and the title without space. After the / we can see the list of elements below AI bar, right here. Let's find museums in /Paris. Here it is. Well, I'll show you another way to refer your search to the boundaries or location. Let's put the pin on the map and type another prompt, like cafes and 15-minute walks around. Then select the pin, copy it, and paste it into the AI bar. Now, our search is linked to the pin on our map. AI just found all the cafes within a 15-minute walk around the selected pin. Let's move to complex prompts. Here, AI solves multiple tasks in one prompt. It might be handy for building buffers and isochrones. For example, 300-meter buffer around bus stops in Basel. First, AI finds bus stops in Basel and then builds a 300-meter buffer around each. There is no need to split the prompt into 2, just ask AI what you want to know. The next one is 5-minute walk around bike parking in Lyon. It is the same principle, but AI builds isochrone. And let's have a look at the density of cafes in Rotterdam. The result consists of 2 layers, the cafes layer and the grid. Aino made the grid with the number of cafes in each cell. Let's move to data filtering prompts. For this example, we will use Aino's inbuilt dataset with the world's population, so let's find a population in Rio de Janeiro. We see the city is covered with hexagons. We can check it out and click on a hexagon. The population is about 35,000 people. For further analysis, let's filter the data and ask AI to highlight areas only with a population of over 10,000 people. We type our query, population over 10,000 in, and refer the analysis to the population dataset when we type /population. Here it is, there are only hexagons with a population larger than 10,000 people. We can style in and add gradients, add max and min colors. And now we see what's happening here. Here is the tutorial about AI prompting essentials. I look forward to the upcoming videos. I hope you'll have a good time using Aino. Bye.